For a while this summer, life was pretty damn good. Then I got some bad news. That wasn't part of any plan. But before that, I had a roof to finish. After everything that happened with this roof, getting the tiles on felt like a pretty big deal. I'd spent enough time worrying about keeping water out of this place. Now, I just wanted it finished. There was more than a ton of tiles going up there. Oh my god, 24 degrees and sitting on this black tiles. But quite annoyed as well, even though this roof looks really good now. I don't have enough. For months, this roof had been something to worry about. And it felt damn good to finally be done with it. Finishing the roof felt like a turning point, because now I could finally start thinking about something else than keeping the weather out. For months, I've been looking at framing, insulation, roofing, all the things that make a building. But the paint changed how it felt. It was still unfinished, very unfinished. But for the first time, I could actually see what I've been trying to build. It was starting to feel like mine. By then, summer had properly arrived. And suddenly, finishing the workshop didn't feel quite as urgent. There were just too many good reasons to be somewhere else. There was one thing I definitely wasn't going to miss though. Norway was in the World Cup, which, for me, was a pretty big fucking deal. Eventually, I was ready to get back to work. And I knew exactly what I wanted to do next. Then this guy showed up, a friend of mine from Stockholm. And suddenly, spending that week inside the workshop didn't seem like such a great idea anymore. So we didn't. The deck wasn't supposed to happen yet, but honestly, I didn't really care. There was actually a reason he was there that week. Susanna and I got married. Looking back, I don't think I realized just how good life was right then. I do now. The last day of my vacation, I got a phone call. I was being laid off from my job. I didn't take it very well. For the next couple of weeks, I just wasn't myself. I didn't really know what to do with any of it. So I did what I could. I kept building. Not because I suddenly felt better. I think I just needed something that still made sense. And looking back at where this started, I started with pretty much nothing. And I've been figuring it out as I go. There's been a lot in this build that I've never done before. I still don't always know what I'm doing. But I'm getting pretty good at figuring it out. And yeah, I'm actually pretty proud of what I've built here. The funny thing is, I honestly didn't think I'd done that much out there this summer. Turns out, I was wrong.